Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Hey there guys, Matthew Sabia here for LockerGnome.com and Chris.Perillo.com, and this week I'm going to be showing you guys some cool tips, tricks, and shortcuts for Google Chrome. So the first ones I want to show you are pretty basic. The first one is one that I use constantly every day, which is Control-Shift-B. This shows and hides your bookmarks bar. So if you just want to hide it for a little extra browsing area, and then just bring it down when you need it to access your bookmarks. The next is Control-T, which opens up a new tab inside your Chrome window, and Control-Shift-T, which automatically remembers the last tab that you closed, for example, LockerGnome.com. Control-W on your keyboard closes the current tab that you're on, and Control-N opens a new Chrome window. Now here's two features I'm sure you've never used. Dragging a link up to the tab area automatically opens that link inside of a new tab. Now here's another feature I'm sure you never even knew existed. Hitting Shift Escape on your keyboard opens the Task Manager for Chrome. Never knew it had one, did you? You can quickly access your history in Chrome by hitting Control-H on the keyboard. You can also quickly access your Downloads menu by hitting Control-J. And use Control-W to close those. Want to go back to the page you were just on but don't want to lose your current page? No problem. Go back while holding down the Control button. This will open your last page inside of a new tab. You can use the same feature for any type of link inside your browser. For example, I'll hold down Control, click this link, and it will open it inside a new tab. Have a lot of tabs open and want to switch between them quickly? That's simple. Hold down Control and use keys 1 through 9 on your keyboard to quickly switch between your tabs. Which one of your tabs is in a separate window instead of just another tab? Simply drag that tab out of the bar, let go, and it'll be inside another window. If you accidentally do this and want it to go back to its original position, just hit the escape key. If you're browsing a page and you want to quickly access your URL bar, just hit Control-L. This will highlight the text inside your URL bar. Another quick tip for your URL bar is, for example, if you type something in, my browser automatically remembers the website, but let's say you just typed a term in like that, and you don't want to just do a Google search for it, which it will automatically do if you hit Enter right now. If you hit Control-Enter, it will automatically add www. Before the beginning, and .com to the end. So whatever the term is you type in, you can turn it into a URL without typing that yourself. If you ever need to quickly clear the history inside your browser without going into settings and selecting the option, hit Control-Shift-Delete on your keyboard, which will open the Clear Browsing data box. So go ahead, check these, and clear whatever you need. From this page, you could also change a lot of other settings in your browser, so you might want to check that out. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys will find this useful. If you have any other questions about your Google Chrome browser, please feel free to drop by our question and answer community at LockerGnome.net and see if you can find some answers there. So as usual, this has been Matthew Sabia for LockerGnome.com, Chris.Perillo.com, and of course, don't forget the live video feed at live.perillo.com. I'll see you next time. Oh, and there's one more shortcut I forgot to show you guys. If you hit Control F4 on your keyboard,